Hey there, everyone. My name is Malachai Buti. I am the proud owner of Home Maintenance Services. Are you doing your home maintenance? Did you know that there are over 100 different maintenance tasks that should be getting done each year to keep a properly maintained home? I am so excited to tell you that that is exactly why we are here for you today. Our goal is to solve issues before they happen. We want to give you that peace of mind that comes with having all of your preventative maintenance tasks completed every month. I'm sure we have all heard of the horror stories of what can happen if we don't properly maintain our homes. Those small problems that can become major problems very, very quickly. Everything from fires to flooding, gas leaks, mold exposure, structural damage, wire damage, many, many more things that can be prevented. All those worst case scenarios can simply be avoided by allowing one of our friendly technicians to come to your home and service it today. This company was created to protect your biggest investment, ensure your safety, and improve the overall quality of life for you and your family. And we want to help you with that. That's not to mention the property value, the health, the safety, and the energy benefits that are included. And the best part is the money you can save overall by starting today. Thank you for watching this video, and please give us a call, text, email, or I guess just whatever is the most convenient for you to get on our schedule right away so that we can set you up with the monthly plan that fits your needs. You can reach us at 406-823-9185 or at malachi@hmservices.us. Have a great day, and remember that peace of mind is one of a kind.